Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's wireframes and how to make an image gallery page using them. This is a video series on utilizing Stackable's wireframes. To get started, let's make a brand new blank page, and there's a couple ways to do that. If you're logged into your website, you'll have the Stop toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in and ended up on your dashboard, hover over onto your left-hand sidebar, down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. Alright, once we're here, let's give it a title. Just keep things organized, and let's access our wireframes. To do that, there's a button here, Block Insert. Click on that. Top left corner. Scroll down under Stackable to Design Library. Drag and drop that into your workspace. Okay. We can close this to give ourselves some more room to work with, and click on Open Design Library. Now, the nice thing with the wireframes is that it's just in here with the Design Library, and they're organized according to use cases. So if we look over here, we have Image Gallery, and we have a few different templates to choose from. So let's go ahead with this one. It's simple, and you can just change them according to what you want. So our lineup of helmets and new for 2027, right? And all of these are just a bunch of blocks that they've been put together. So all you have to do is just click on them and then type what you want. And if we wanted to customize it, we can go ahead and click on typography over here. And we'll have a bunch of different options here. We can change the size. Right, and then we have our description here. And then how about our images? Okay, just click on this, and there's just a placeholder over here. And if we go into inner column, click on Style, and you can see we have container background, and there is a placeholder, trickily enough. Right, we'll replace that with our helmets over here, and likewise this one. Let's replace it with the magenta one, and then this one we'll replace it with the green one, and then this one finally with the red one. And then to change these ones, let's go ahead and just click on here and put in blue, and we can enable a background on each one of these, and we can add a border radius, and then for the background color we can make it a bit more discreet, or we can just make it white altogether. Okay, and probably wanna well, probably want to have to do that with all of these. Right, and then change this one to, and then here we'll have to change this one as well. And then the text will be green. And then last but not least, this one, red. Okay, and then for all of these, let's go ahead and change our text color to something more fitting. You know, it's actually kind of harder to read. Let's change it to black. How about that? Just so it's easier to read. Okay. And I'll just leave the subtitles blank because it's as simple as that. Okay. And we can add links to these if we wanted to. So if we had a link for the blue one, we can put it here on our web store. So all of our users have to do, our customers, clients, they just have to click on which one they want, and it's going to take them to that site. So it's a very easy way using Stackable's wireframes to make an image gallery by just like inserting and replacing the placeholder images here. And we can copy this one and then place it down here and alternate things up. If we had helmets, and you saw a while ago in our library we had gloves, and maybe lights, tires, shorts. So let's go ahead and publish this and take a look at how it looks like on our live site. With that saved, let's click on View Page, and here you can see that we now have an image gallery made for us using Stackable's wireframes. All we have to do is replace the images, and we can customize them however which way we want, because they're really just a collection of blocks within a grid frame. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.